Alright, so I'm in lab right now waiting to grow up some of my T4 viruses, and in the meantime I thought I'd shoot a quick video and tell you all about this new search engine I built called BlueSlugg.com. Now remember, slug is spelled with 2 G's. Now what BlueSlugg.com is it's a search engine designed for people who are college level science majors. So if you're like me and you're a biotech major, perhaps you're looking around online and you want to find out something about a particular plasmid. Well, you type in the name of that plasmid into a typical Google search engine, and what do you get? You get a whole bunch of journal articles that you can read just fine, but they're way too complicated for what you're doing. You're just trying to look for a quick answer. Or you get a whole bunch of stuff that's from like a high school biology class, and you really don't get much of that appropriate in between. So what BlueSlugg.com does is it focuses on science websites that are designed for college level biology students. And this way you can just focus on, like I said, that in between. You can find out what does this particular plasmid do, what does this particular virus do. You can get quick animations, quick videos on whatever it is that you're focusing on. Today I watched some videos on chick embryo dissections because unfortunately I'm going to have to dissect a chick embryo tomorrow in lab. And as a result of me using my search engine, I was able to find lots of simple, quick, to the point chick embryo dissection videos that just explained things very straightforwardly, explained things in a visual video format. Another thing you can do is look up HIV, for example. On one of my last tests for one of my classes, I had to understand the HIV life cycle, understand how HIV binds to the cell. And of course they explain it to you on the board, and they give you these very 2D drawings, the professors, and you can also see it somewhat in your textbook, but sometimes you really just need that video for the visual representation. So I typed in HIV video animation, and I come up with plenty of hits. So for those of you who are interested, those of you who just want a quick, easy search engine to give you straightforward answers to your questions, BlueSlugg.com. And by the way, another bonus for BlueSlugg.com is I'm trying to include websites from scientists from a very diverse range of scientific opinions. I find very often that when there's a controversial topic like climate change or something like that, something that's very something that's a political hot potato, something that people really don't want to touch, or it's kind of makes people mad to talk about. Very often you kind of just hear one opinion. You don't really hear climatology. You don't get to hear the proper range of what scientists have to say. You don't get the proper range of climatologists in this example. Perhaps you learned about a new fossil that was discovered in China or something like that. With BlueSlugg.com, you can do a quick search and get scientists from a wide range of backgrounds who are professionals in their field, who know what they're talking about, but who also have a diverse range of opinions. That way you're not just getting the same stuff over and over again that you typically get from the media. Because it seems like typically the media kind of picks one side from a debate and they just kind of run with it and act like any scientists on the other side of the debate are just a bunch of wackos who don't know what they're talking about. So BlueSlugg.com is going to be designed to help avoid that and adding more and more sites as I go. If you check out this website and there's more sites that you think I should add to the search engine, please send me an email and let me know. Anyway, this is Greg, and I hope you all enjoy BlueSlugg.com and hope it helps you in your science classes. Have a good day. And don't forget to check out BlueSlugg.com.